The biggest winners of the AI revolution may not be the companies building artificial intelligence. That sounds impossible. Because right now, everyone is watching the same companies. OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, Anthropic. They are building the models. They are creating the technology. They are spending billions of dollars to shape the future. But history tells us something interesting. The companies that create a technology are not always the ones that capture the biggest opportunities. The biggest winners often appear around the technology. When the internet arrived, most people focused on internet companies. But the real explosion happened when people started asking, what can I build because the internet exists? That question created online stores, search engines, social networks, streaming platforms, entire careers that did not exist before. And AI may be creating the same opportunity right now. The future may not belong only to the people building AI. It may belong to the people who learn how to use AI better than everyone else. Every major technology shift creates two groups of people. The first group sees the technology. The second group sees the opportunity. When electricity became available, people didn't become wealthy because they owned power stations. They built factories around electricity. They created machines. They changed industries. When computers arrived, many people thought, machines will replace humans. But something unexpected happened. A completely new economy appeared. Software developers, cybersecurity experts, digital marketers, app creators. The technology created a bigger world. Then came the internet. In the beginning, people asked, will the internet destroy traditional businesses? But the bigger question was, who will build the next generation of businesses using the internet? That question created companies like Amazon, Google, and YouTube. The pattern is clear. Technology creates the foundation, but humans create the opportunities, and AI is the next foundation. Right now, we are entering one of the biggest productivity shifts in history. A gap is forming between people who use AI as leverage and people who continue working the old way. Imagine two employees. They have the same education, the same experience, the same number of hours in a day. But one person uses AI tools to research, analyze information, write drafts, automate repetitive tasks, and generate ideas. The other person does everything manually. After months and years, the difference becomes enormous. Not because one person is more talented, but because one person has multiplied their ability. AI is becoming a new type of advantage, just like knowing how to use computers became an advantage decades ago. Just like knowing how to use the internet became an advantage later. Knowing how to use AI will become a basic skill in the future. Here is where things become interesting. Most people still think of AI as a chatbot. You ask a question, AI gives an answer. But that is only the beginning. The next evolution is AI agents. Instead of simply responding, AI systems are becoming capable of completing tasks. Imagine telling an AI assistant, research my competitors, analyze their marketing, create a report, prepare a presentation, and summarize the key opportunities. The future is moving from AI that answers to AI that works. Companies are already exploring AI assistants that can handle workflows, customer support, research, coding, and business operations. And this creates a massive opportunity because every new technology creates a need for people who know how to apply it. Most people are asking, will AI replace jobs? But early winners ask a different question. What problems can AI help me solve? A small business owner could use AI to create marketing campaigns in hours instead of days. A freelancer could deliver work faster and serve more clients. A content creator could use AI for research, scripts, editing ideas, and audience analysis. A consultant could analyze information faster and provide better recommendations. A teacher could create personalized learning experiences. A company could automate thousands of small tasks. The opportunity is not only inside artificial intelligence, the opportunity is everywhere intelligence can be applied. Think about smartphones. Apple and Google created the platforms, but millions of developers built businesses on top of them. AI may create the same wave. The biggest opportunities may come from people who combine AI with something they already understand. The next generation of entrepreneurs may not look like traditional tech founders. They may be people who understand a specific industry and use AI to transform it. A real estate agent who builds an AI system to manage leads. A lawyer who uses AI to speed up document analysis. A marketer who creates AI-powered campaigns. A small company that uses AI automation to compete with much larger companies. You do not need to build the next ChatGPT. You may only need to discover a problem that AI can solve better. The internet rewarded people who knew how to use websites. Social media rewarded people who knew how to build audiences. AI may reward people who know how to combine human creativity with machine intelligence. The biggest mistake right now is waiting. Many people are watching AI from the outside. They are reading headlines. They are debating whether AI is good or bad. But the people who benefit from technology shifts are usually the people experimenting early. The first people who learned about websites had an advantage. The first people who learned social media had an advantage. The first people who learn AI workflows will have an advantage. The goal is not to become an AI engineer. The goal is to understand, what can this technology help me do that was impossible before? The biggest AI winners may not be the companies building the smartest models. They may be the people who recognize what those models make possible. Every technology revolution creates uncertainty, but it also creates opportunity. The internet created digital entrepreneurs. Smartphones created app businesses. AI may create a new generation of creators, entrepreneurs, and problem solvers. The question is no longer, will AI change the world? It already is. The real question is, when everyone has access to AI, who will know how to use it better? Because those people may become the biggest winners of the next decade. Subscribe if you want to understand the AI tools, trends, and opportunities shaping the future.